Okay, guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a basic player movement in Godot. It's not that hard. I'll show step by step everything, and I'll put this link in the description. I'll probably if I could, I'll, um I'll think about it. And then yeah, and so the first thing you want to do is, well, let's just make the player first. So you're gonna do Control A, character body 3D. And then inside the character body 3D, you add a mesh instance. And then in the character body 3D, add a collision shape. In the character body 3D, add a no 3D. Name that head. And then in the head, add a camera 3D. So it looks like this. So in the mesh instance, you could just put a capsule mesh. And then do the same for the collision shape. And then just grab the head and drag it up a little bit so it's like where the eyes is. You could save it. Doesn't matter, just call it player, and then call this player 2. Okay, so what you're gonna do is add a script to it. Inside the script, you're gonna put this templates on, so it saves like that. And we're gonna leave this right there for now, and then we're gonna go to project second, settings, and then you're gonna go up, down, right, left, right. Okay, and then you could do, yeah, you could, okay, that's all of them you need. And go W S A D, and then press X, and then right here you could just go left, right, up, down, and then save that. And now you can leave that right there. And now let's create a new scene. Just press Control N and new node 3D, and then just name it world. Save that like that. Just go mesh instance 3D, and then go to mesh instance. Just do a plain mesh inside the plain mesh. Let's do a 10 by 10. If you want to add a little albedo to it, a little color, just go click geometry, mesh override, material override, my bad. Standard material 3D, and go to albedo. Change the color to like, to like a bluish, sky blue color, just like that. So I exit that out, go to the player. Inside the head, let's just add a script. We don't need we just put it empty. And then right here, what you're going to put is, I'll leave this link in the description down below. This one, all you gotta do is copy it, or you could just type it, doesn't really matter. Yeah, I put this right so I don't forget, because I haven't been doing Godot in a while. And then just paste it, and yep, now just press play. Now you can move with the camera. I messed up the collision shape on that one, so. And I think I'm going to go to a world scene and just delete the environment node. And just go here and add sun to scene and add environment. It's the easiest thing to do. And then save, and then go to mesh instance 3D. Let's just delete the collision shape for now. And then go back to it and make a new one. There. Now let's play it. Now we can walk around, we jump, and yeah, looks pretty good. Fall. You won't be able to see it when you fall because it's a plain mesh, so you can only see one side. But yeah, that's basically it. And in the next episode, I'll probably show you guys how to do like raycast or like open doors and stuff. or you guys can leave a comment down below saying like what you guys need help with. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and